We guide you through how to block an email address on Outlook so unwanted messages stop appearing in your inbox. First thing you need to do is open your Outlook on your desktop or through the web and select an email from the sender you want to block. Click the three dots or More Actions menu, then choose Block and confirm your choice. Outlook will automatically send future emails from that address to junk email folder. For extra control, go to Settings, open Mail, then Junk Email, and manually add the email address to your block senders and domains list. You can also review and remove block addresses anytime from this menu. Once set up, Outlook will filtering messages from that sender automatically, helping you keep your inbox clean, organized, and distraction free.